Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 6th, 2021. Rivian. Yeah, I want to talk to you all today about Rivian. You want to know whether or not is this a buy opportunity now, or should we wait for price to continue to go down? Welcome to HueFin. This is also known as HueFin News. This is a spot, the location that I give you all realistic price predictions as to where I'm noticing price going. Right, I want to make sure that our subscribers get a heads up as to where price is going to go, so that we won't be confused, so that we won't be scratching our heads trying to figure, okay, why did price go down or why did price go up? The price chart tells you already where price is trying to go, and we're going to show you all that today for Rivian. So make sure you guys appreciate the videos, the content, hit the like button, share the video, subscribe here to the channel. I'm not going to give you a whole lot of fluff, a whole lot of fun, a whole lot of FOMO. I'm not one of those type of YouTubers that always come in and prop up and pump stocks. That's all they do. Everything in the market from their perspective is always going to go up. If it doesn't, they want you all to dollar cost average. They want you to buy the dips, and you continue to buy dips, and you end up being in a worse position than what you were when you first listened to them. You need to have somebody that's going to play both sides of the market. One is going to tell you price is going to go up, and not only go up, they will also tell you when prices go down. This is what I do. So check this out. November the 18th was the last time I did a video in Rivian. I was telling you all then, yeah, let's play some weakness. I wasn't playing the strength into the market in Rivian on that particular day. Take a look. And since that time, price has been on the decline in Rivian. Look at it. We had our support price, ultimate TP area, right there around $126, which has given us 13.32% right there. Now, let's say you couldn't grab the bag then. Let's say you was busy, you wasn't looking at the market, and you wanted to get out today. Well, you'll still be up 28.25%. This is how easy this game is. It's not hard, and it's not complicated, and even if it is manipulated, it's manipulated to the point where we should still be able to make money. All right, so let me get rid of that. It's over and it's done. We need to talk because we're in a downtrend in Rivian, right? And we're pretty much already to the close to where we were when we first started trading in the markets for this stock. We are now there again. Are we going to break this area? Because if so, we need to be ready for it, right? Right here. This is it. This is the basis. This is the support area in the market in Rivian, $100. Now, do you think we're going to break it? I mean, for real. Because if you're expecting price to break $100 to the downside, you want to be prepared for it, right? Or if you're still seeing the market bouncing from here, you want to be prepared for it, right? So let's try to figure this out then. Let's see this on a weekly time frame in Rivian, right? So this is Rivian on a weekly perspective, and you guys can tell that last week wasn't too good in the market for Rivian. No, it wasn't. I mean, we saw the price go up last week. Yeah, we did. Around $128, but we closed down there around 104. Seems to me like a lot of the market here is selling. And on top of that, look at what happened here on this weekly price bar. This is still reflecting and hurting Rivian's price of going up. Let's not get it twisted. With all of this weakness that we've seen on the last 3 weeks, I mean, it's not positive for us to really expect price to hold $100. Are we going to break that? Based on what we've seen the last 3 weeks, that is definitely something that we need to be ready for. I'm just saying, we need to be prepared for that. So look at this on a 3-day time frame. Do you see any strength coming through to the market in Rivian? What about on 2-day? What about on this 2 weeks time frame? It's not looking good, is it? Do you see any indications of any strength trying to appear into the market in Rivian? Now, since we already came and bounced off $100, give it to me. Let me tell you this: that yes, we can see market bounce off 100 initially, but it doesn't mean that the selling is done, right? This bounce off $100 is going to trick a lot of people into thinking that this is the prime entry point in the market in Rivian. This is what the trap wants us to believe, but he's not going to fool us. So yeah, even though we might see price go up now, but definitely believe from a weekly 2-week time frame, The selling is definitely apparent on the chart. So now, trying to figure this out. Okay, let's try to figure this out real quick. So if we're going to play the weakness into the market in Rivian, right? We need to expect, okay, cool, price can go up. If that's the case, how high will we expect it to go to where we will still play the expectation of Rivian going down? Because yeah, the market currently is giving us some uplift. So from out the gate, yeah, we can see price go up. No issues, no qualms about it. But how high though? Will we say around 120? No higher than 120? I am seeing restriction at 108, and I'm also seeing restriction at 112. But from a 2-week perspective, those areas can literally be broken to the upside though. Okay. So I'm not going to really hold on to those two areas. I'm going to try to grab it around at 120. 124. Okay. That's it. So yeah, if price in Rivian even goes up from $100, and let's say we hit 112, 116, that's cool. But if we break 124 to the upside, then yeah, I might have cut the prediction and say, yeah, we didn't get this one right. The market, in fact, was giving us some more strength instead, right? So be prepared for us to try to go up in price. This is pretty much what I'm telling you all to understand. Now, how low can we go? Well, that's anyone's guess, especially if we break $100 to the downside. Okay, so I'm here to tell you this as well. Anything in the green of this price prediction will have to be TP anywhere, because we are trading in a relatively new market, right? And we need to be prepared to find out where the buyers are at. And we haven't really made that determination historically on this price chart. So anywhere in the green will have to be TP. We will have to be prepared to eat the market from Rivian on any movement to the downside. Okay, we will have to. So this is it. From a weekly to a 2 weeks time frame is pretty much the reason why I'm playing the weakness here into the market in Rivian. Now, it doesn't mean that we won't see a couple of days where price will go up. Cool, we get it. But the only thing that is stopping price from severely dropping is the $100. So if we really break $100 to the downside, then anywhere, it's free fall. It's like a falling knife. It's anywhere until it finds a basis to where buyers are going to prop in. So keep your eyes open on that, because I am. All right, so this is it. This is my updated price prediction into the market in Rivian. So far, so good. Not really looking at it, you know, massively breaking $100, not yet, but it's definitely something that we need to be prepared for. All right, so let me know your thoughts. Give me your price prediction for Rivian. Where do you think we're going to end for December of 2021? Where do you think the price is going to be? Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.